Hey guys, and here I am back again after a long time, and in this video I'm going to share this easy elegant bun which you can create in just your first attempt. So let's get started to the video. First I'm going to divide my front section hair, and here I'm going to spin the hair and making a side puff. I'm going to pull some hair for more volume. And now I'm going to secure this puff with a bobby pin. Then for the other side, I'm going to take two small sections of my hair and twist those hair strands with each other. Then adding up some more hair and twisting each other like so. And I'm repeating the process until the edge. And again I'm going to pull some hair for more volume and secure this hair strands with a bobby pin at the back. Now dividing my hair to different parts, you don't need to be specific here, and then tie one section with a rubber band. And divide this in two equal halves and twist this hair strand with each other, and now I'm going to make a U-shaped loop like this by tying the edge in the rubber band. Now I'm going to take the other half and gather all my hair, and now I'm going to pull the hair through the loop like this, and now I'm going to twist my loop and again going to pull the hair through the loop, and I'm repeating the exact same process. And now I'm going to tie this hair like this and going to make secure this hair with a U-pin. I need two U-pins to secure my hair, and for the rest I'm going to spin my hair like this way. And in this section I'm again using a bobby pin to secure this edge. To add some pop to my hair, I'm going to place these accessories. And for the front section, now I'm going to hide the bobby pin and with a hair strand. Now I'm taking a hair strand and placing the hair over the bobby pin to hide it like this, and going to take some hair strand from the front section, and that's it. That's the hairstyle. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.